Best oils for nerve damage. Today we look at the causes of nerve damage and how it's as varied as their symptoms, ranging from systemic diseases like diabetes and autoimmune disorders to physical trauma, repetitive stress, and exposure to toxins. Even treatments for other medical conditions, such as chemotherapy, can inadvertently lead to nerve damage, creating a paradox of healing and hurting. The symptoms, while diverse, share a common thread of discomfort and dysfunction, pain, tingling, numbness, weakness, and even paralysis in severe cases, painting a complex picture of the challenges faced by those affected. These natural essences, distilled from plants, flowers, and trees, offer a promise of relief and regeneration, without the heavy burden of side effects that often accompany pharmaceutical treatments. We also will cover the best ways to use these oils for the most effective results after our list of oils, so stay tuned for this helpful information. Here's a closer look at some of the most revered oils in this healing journey. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is not just a culinary favorite but also a potent therapeutic agent, especially renowned for its neuroprotective properties. What makes rosemary oil unique for nerve health is its high content of carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, compounds known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help in protecting nerve cells from damage and supporting nerve growth factor, which is crucial for nerve repair and regeneration. Moreover, rosemary oil's ability to improve circulation also plays a vital role in healing nerve tissues by ensuring a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients. It contains compounds that can stimulate nerve repair and offer relief from neuropathic pain. Frankincense oil. Frankincense oil, derived from the resin of the boswellia tree, is revered in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Its unique benefit for nerves lies in its ability to reduce inflammation, which can alleviate compression on nerve endings and reduce pain. Frankincense promotes the regeneration of healthy cells. Additionally, frankincense contains boswellic acids, which have been shown to support the nervous system by improving the transmission of nerve impulses. This makes it particularly beneficial for conditions like neuropathy, where nerve function is compromised. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce the swelling and pain associated with nerve damage. Lavender oil. Lavender oil is widely appreciated for its calming and relaxing effects, but its benefits for nerve health are equally compelling. Lavender oil contains linalool and linalool acetate, compounds that have been studied for their analgesic, pain-relieving, and anti-inflammatory effects. These properties make lavender oil an excellent choice for soothing neuropathic pain and reducing inflammation in the nervous system. Additionally, its calming effect can help alleviate stress and anxiety, which are often associated with chronic pain conditions, providing a holistic approach to nerve healing. Hey there, are you finding value in this video? If so, consider subscribing, which helps us bring you more content like this. Chamomile oil. Chamomile oil, particularly Roman chamomile, is well known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to its high content of azelene and bisabolol. These compounds contribute to chamomile oil's effectiveness in calming irritated nerves and reducing inflammation. Additionally, its calming properties can help improve sleep quality, which is crucial for the healing and regeneration of nerve cells. Helichrysum oil. Helichrysum oil, extracted from the flowers of the Helichrysum italicum plant, is prized for its unique ability to support nerve regeneration. It contains italidionase, compounds with potent regenerative and healing properties that are particularly beneficial for damaged nerves. Helichrysum oil is also known for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, helping to reduce pain and inflammation around injured nerves. Its ability to improve circulation further supports the healing process by ensuring that damaged nerves receive the necessary nutrients and oxygen for repair. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is celebrated for its cooling and analgesic properties, making it an excellent choice for nerve pain relief. It stimulates circulation around the nerves, offering a soothing effect and helping to reduce pain sensations. Eucalyptus oil. It is another powerful option that can help with nerve damage and pain relief. Eucalyptus oil is known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, making it highly effective in reducing pain and swelling associated with nerve damage. Eucalyptus oil contains eucalyptol, a compound that helps reduce inflammation and pain, making it beneficial for those suffering from conditions like neuropathy and arthritis that can affect nerve health. By stimulating blood flow, eucalyptus oil can enhance circulation around affected nerve sites, aiding in the healing process and reducing discomfort. The refreshing aroma of eucalyptus oil is known to alleviate stress and tension, which is crucial since stress can exacerbate nerve pain and delay recovery. Eucalyptus oil, with its multiple health benefits, serves as a complementary treatment for nerve damage, offering relief from pain and inflammation while also providing the soothing effects needed for a holistic healing approach. The key to benefiting from these essential oils lies in their proper application and usage. For topical use, always dilute the essential oil with a carrier oil such as coconut or almond oil to prevent skin irritation. Aromatherapy, through the use of diffusers or inhalation of the oil's vapor, can also provide therapeutic benefits, especially for stress-related nerve damage. Additionally, incorporating these oils into massage therapy can enhance their effectiveness by combining the healing power of touch with the therapeutic properties of the oils. When exploring these oils for nerve damage relief, it's crucial to remember that natural does not always mean safe for everyone. Always conduct a patch test before using a new oil. Consult with a healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant, and use these oils as a complement to, not a replacement for, conventional medical treatments. Using essential oils for nerve damage involves more than just selecting the right oil. It's about applying them in a way that maximizes their healing potential while ensuring safety. Here's how to incorporate these oils into your wellness routine effectively. Topical application. This is one of the most common methods for using essential oils, especially for localized nerve pain or discomfort. To use an essential oil topically, dilute the essential oil with a carrier oil. A general guideline is to use about 1 to 2 drops of essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil for adults. This ratio can be adjusted based on individual sensitivity or the specific oil's potency. Apply the diluted oil directly to the affected area, gently massaging it into the skin to improve absorption and circulation. Avoid sensitive areas such as the eyes, inner ears, and mucous membranes. Aromatherapy. Inhaling the aroma of essential oils can have a profound effect on the nervous system, helping to alleviate stress, pain, and anxiety that often accompany nerve damage. Use a diffuser to disperse the oil's particles into the air. Diffusing for 30 to 60 minutes at a time is generally effective. Alternatively, you can inhale the oil directly from the bottle or place a few drops on a cotton ball or tissue and breathe in the aroma. Adding essential oils to a warm bath can provide soothing relief for nerve pain while also promoting relaxation for the entire body. Mix 5 to 10 drops of essential oil with a carrier oil or an unscented bath gel to help it disperse in the water before adding it to the bath. Soak for at least 15 minutes to allow the body to absorb the oil's beneficial properties. Here are some important safety tips. Before using a new essential oil, especially on the skin, do a patch test to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Apply a small amount of diluted oil to a patch of skin on your forearm and wait 24 to 48 hours to see if any irritation occurs. If you have pre-existing health conditions, are pregnant, nursing, or taking medication, consult with a healthcare provider before using essential oils. Some oils can interact with medications or are contraindicated for certain conditions. Always use high-quality, pure essential oils from reputable sources. Synthetic oils or those with additives may not offer the same therapeutic benefits and can even be harmful. Use in moderation. Essential oils are potent, and a little goes a long way. Overuse can lead to skin irritation, sensitization, or other adverse reactions. Always follow recommended dilution ratios and usage guidelines. Incorporating essential oils into your approach for managing nerve damage can offer a complementary avenue of relief and healing. By understanding each oil's unique properties and adhering to safe application practices, you can harness the power of nature to support your nervous system's health. We also have a video about how to protect and repair nerves with these foods, the ultimate guide which you will find above, and it's worth a look. Until next time, here's to your health.